The Audi Q6L e-tron, a product of the PPE platform, is actually a global model. In addition to being produced at the Changchun factory, it is also manufactured at Audi's Ingolstadt factory and sold in global markets, including European countries such as Germany and the UK. However, the version sold in overseas markets is the standard wheelbase version, not the long wheelbase version we see here. The Audi Q6L e-tron is quite attractive. Whether it's the digital daytime running lights and matrix headlights at the front, or the panel design that integrates the dot matrix grille with the airflow structure, the vehicle creates an effect similar to Audi's classic hexagonal grille with its matrix design, while also giving a sporty aerodynamic feel with its high and low beams. Overall, the vehicle blends technology, sportiness, and classic style very well. Viewed from the side and rear, the seamless taillights are quite similar to those of the new generation Audi Q5L, only with slightly smoother corners. Similarly, the exterior rear-view mirror covers, semi-hidden door handles, and independent fenders are also similar to the Audi Q5L. However, the new car features a multi-layered sporty bumper design. Despite lacking the Audi Q5L's internal diffuser, the layered design and the perforated sporty skid plate at the bottom still give it a complete and distinctive look. In terms of dimensions, it measures 4884/1965/1694, 1696 mm in length, width, and height, and is significantly larger than the new generation Audi Q5L, particularly with its wider stance. Furthermore, the 2995mm wheelbase provides a 50mm advantage, offering a spacious interior. Compared to the exterior design differences, the interior is almost an exact copy of the new generation Audi Q5L. The center console features an 11.9-inch plus 14.5-inch curved OLED display, while the passenger side boasts a 10.9-inch smart privacy-protected entertainment screen. A head-up display, HUD, is also present in front of the D-shaped steering wheel. However, the Audi Q6L e-tron utilizes a more advanced AR HUD version, offering an 88-inch projector to display more multimedia and intelligent driving assistance information. Furthermore, the door and window controls, finished in lacquered materials, feature a digital panel design similar to the Audi Q5L, allowing functions such as seat memory and temperature control to be performed on the door panels. Only the physical buttons and control levers on the center console differ slightly. The reason the Audi Q6L e-tron and Audi Q5L are so similar is that their electrical architecture developments were carried out simultaneously. Moreover, in terms of production and release order, it is essentially a prototype of the Audi Q5L. However, regardless of their relationship, they are both quite advanced in terms of intelligence. The Audi Q6L e-tron shown here boasts more advanced features and in-car systems, including 256-color active ambient lighting, a 20-speaker B&O sound system, a standard air-purifying heat pump climate control system, and V2X communication technology, all of which make this all-electric SUV more sophisticated. In terms of smart features, the Audi Q6L e-tron offers Huawei's Changchun intelligent driving assistance system, supported by dual LiDAR sensors. This system already includes functions such as high-speed city navigation support, multi-level memory parking, and long-distance reversing assistance. This is essentially the same solution used in the soon-to-be-released Audi Q5L. While this system still lags behind Huawei's ADS Ultra, it's enough to elevate the intelligent driving experience above mainstream standards. In terms of comfort features, it comes standard with a panoramic sunroof, leather steering wheel, and sports seats with front footrests and front seat heating/ventilation. However, front seat massage and rear seat heating are offered as optional extras on current models and are slightly less comfortable, lacking features like leather upholstery and double-glazed windows as in the Audi Q5L. In terms of the three main electric components, battery, motor, and electronic control, it accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in 6.3 seconds with its self-developed 205 kilowatts rear-mounted silicon carbide motor, supported by an 800V high-voltage platform, and offers a pure electric range of 752 km or 709 km with a 107 kilowatts battery pack from CATL. All models support 10 to 80% fast charging in 20 minutes, ideally adding 294 kilometers of range with just 10 minutes of charging, keeping pace with the current development of domestic new energy vehicles. Furthermore, a ZF twin-motor all-wheel drive version providing a total power of 405 kilowatts will be offered soon. As for the final implementation of the 4 range versions mentioned in the application information, we await the official announcement.